Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. We can see that gold has continued to be doing nothing, just resting through here. That's actually a very, let me just bring this chart up through here. I like looking at just a blank chart. The reason why I like looking at a blank chart, guys, because sometimes the technical analysis that I use is small picture, big picture. Small picture is I'm looking at, you know, the candlesticks, the highs and lows through here, but then the big picture I'm looking at sort of the last sort of year and see, okay, where are we in sort of the what we call the phases. And when you log into the Master Trader Lab, you can get a free trial with the link below. You know, when you log in that there, you'll be able to understand what I call a concept called price and time, and when the market needs a rest and building energy, and that's what we're doing right now. So this is actually a very, very bullish sign when it comes to that. Now, the one chart that I do want to share with you when it comes to gold is this chart through here. Look at this chart through here. We can see here that this excuse me. The blue line, right? The blue line through here is obviously the money supply, and then obviously the red line is the gold price through here. And we could see, look at this. Isn't this interesting? It seems like gold always comes back to where money supply is always happening, right? So if gold gets too far away from it, on the downside, we end up coming back towards it. If it gets too far above it, we end up coming back down. Now look what's happening, right? We're right in line. We're actually with it right now, but we're right in line with it right now. So the question is that this is where gold is and this is where the money supply is. The question is, do we actually continue to see that rally? I truly believe we're going to, based on the technical basis as well too, just based on this chart through here. I definitely do see we're probably likely to start to see a very, very nice move up when it comes to gold through there. So gold has definitely got this all-time sort of resistance. We're sort of stuck at that resistance point right now. You can see there. So it's not a coincidence, guys. If we have a look at this level through here, it's not a coincidence that we're finding a lot of sort of resistance through here right now. Why? Because he had a big run up and just hit this. Look at this here, hit that major level of resistance all through there. And now once we break this level here, guys, we're probably on our way up to all-time new highs for the gold. And I also truly believe that silver is going to do the same thing as well too, or not all-time new highs, but once we start to break, especially that $20 level there, guys, that 20, maybe even a bit lower, that major level through there is that sort of $19, a major level going back over time through there. So I would say that that's definitely going to be a significant level through there. We definitely see there's major resistance and support going on around that $16 level as well too. We broke that. We broke back above it, as you can see. You can see we actually broke back above it. We're squeezing up into this triangle pattern right now when it comes to silver. So I truly believe we're likely to see a very nice breakout. Even if we do get a bit of a drop to the downside, it's probably likely to be short-lived. But silver's looking really, really exciting through there. Quick look at the GDXJ, and the GDXJ is doing pretty much nothing. We're still continuing this pullback. If you guys have been watching me now for the last month, you know I've been saying wait for a pullback, wait for a pullback, wait for a pullback, and we're starting to slowly get a pullback. I believe we're likely to get some more of a pullback, and if the stock market corrects and stock market goes down soon, then or down this week, then I believe probably the GDX and the GDXJ will probably likely to go in sync with it. But it's the GDX and GDXJ, same with the SIL and the same for the SIL and the SILJ. I believe all these mining indices, not all the gold mining stocks and not all the silver mining stocks. I'm just talking about the GDXJ, GDXJ, SIL, SILJ. Them only, not all the gold mining stocks. So if you go buy a gold mining stock based on what I just said there, this analysis doesn't apply to the individual gold mining stock, okay? I truly believe, once again, guys, even if we do get a bit of a pullback, we have just started a very nice bull trend. So even if the market does go through a bit of a down period through here, guys, I truly believe we're likely that even though the stock market continues down through there, I truly believe we have just this high up here and this low through here. We've made a higher high. I truly believe we're going to create a higher low, and then we're going to continue or start this big bull run, or a very nice bull run out of the GDX. Now I'm looking at a weekly chart here, by the way, guys. Okay, so it takes time. Because we've been doing nothing and now we've got a low, I believe we're going to probably get a pullback with the overall stock market, and then a big boost up is coming in the markets as well too. So